Welcome back, everybody. Alright, how to get started with EazyBot. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to register any email, password. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Once you've done this, it will send you to the actual dashboard, which I'll show you here in a few minutes. I put the link down below if you want to. I've put the site link and my referral code. Go ahead if you use it, no problem. So, the dashboard, guys. Listen, EazyBot's really easy. It's really great because the money always stays with you. You're not giving your money to any third-party site it's always in your wallet. You have the ability to withdraw whenever you want. This is why I like it. Here at K Capital, we only focus on real, actual passive income. These are not funny jokes where you put your money and hope to ROI it in however many days. No, this is real stuff. So once you've done that, you'll want to set up an API. So either if you're using Binance or you're using KuCoin. First, you want to send your money to KuCoin or Binance, wherever you want to start this. Now, the API is really easy. EazyBot has their own videos, and they can show you through everything. I'll put those videos down in the link below as well, step by step how to do it. But once you've got that sorted and your EazyBot is linked to whichever exchange you're working with, whether that be KuCoin or Binance, then here's what a lot of reviews and relevant tutorials missed. You want to go to your wallet. Now, before your bots can actually begin trading, you have to deposit these. Basically, this is where they take the fees from, right? Because it is 30, depending if you're getting the free account, VIP account, or VIP Plus. EazyBot does take their commission, which is fine. They take commission on profit, which is good. So only when you're making money, they'll make some money. So on the free account, it's 30-70, and then VIP is 25, I think 75, and then 80-20 for the VIP Plus. But so you definitely want to deposit. $50 lasted me about 2 months worth of fees. So just drop in $50 into the EazyBot wallet, and only then your bots will actually start trading, because this is where they take the fees from. So once you've done that, then you can actually go here and you can go to My Bots. Okay. Now, I've already got 2 bots setting up here. Now, these have only been running for like 2 days. But what you want to do is, once you've activated a bot, right? When you want to activate a bot, you just go ahead, and it's really simple, right? EazyBot's also got more tutorials on this. Simply pick your exchange, right? Whether that be KuCoin. I mistyped it here. I called it EazyBot. I don't know why, but you just put in KuCoin or whatever. You pick the coin that you want to trade. Now, the best pairs that I've noticed are Aave, Matic, and Curve. People always say try to get as many pairs as you can, but I think sticking to 2, 3 max. I don't think having 10 different pairs will help very much. It'll just spread out your money even more, and I don't think you'll make as much. But I found this to be the best. 2 to 3 bots is where it's at. Then you make sure it's active cycle. Then you have to put in the USDT assigned. Now, I know a lot of people says, so if you have, let's say, $2,000 in your KuCoin or Binance account that you want to trade with, people will go and start putting, because you can put this number to whatever you want. All it does, it changes the initial position size and how the bot trades, right? So I know a lot of people that double it. They say, okay, I have 2,000 trading account, but I'm going to tell the bot that I have 4. Now, I found that not to work, because when things do go sideways and the market pulls down, you can get into a bit of trouble, and then you'll start to have to you'll have to start adding money. So just stick to, if you have $2,000 in the account, say you're trading with $2,000, and then once you save, then it will start going. It's really great, guys. Now, in my other video, I'm going to make another video, and this is going to be a good one. You can actually double your profits in EazyBot, and I'll show you how to do it. It's a bit complex, but it's really great. I'm trying it out now. I've been running it for 2 weeks, and it's showing some really good signs. And I want to test it for a few more days, and then I'll release a video on it. But basically, simply, you're doubling everything. So I've made $6 here, I've made $5 on the Aave, and actually I've made $12 and $10. I'll explain in my next video. But yeah, Be sure to subscribe, like, and I'll put all the links down below. You can see everything. But guys, EazyBot, this is where it's at. I mean, unless the USDT unpegs, which in this market nobody really knows, but I mean that's a really high unlikely, I would say. Not high probability, very unlikely. But I mean, just keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on USDT. If it does, here's the thing. This is great about EazyBot. You can just go into KuCoin, Binance, withdraw your money, change to fiat. You can do anything, right? Nothing is locked. Nothing. This is why EazyBot's so great. Anyways, guys. All right. I'll catch you in the next video. I'll explain how to double your profits on EazyBot.